Good morning, class 5. Children, today also we shall continue with the theoretical part of chapter number 5, in which we are studying about MS Word, the word processor. Okay, so in the last period, we had studied about how to insert picture in our document. In this period, we shall study about how to insert word art in our document. Document means the file that you will create using Word, MS Word will be known as document, and that is why I am using this term. So let's start with it. In MS Word, word art is an option which is applied to make text attractive in a document. With the help of word art, text can be written in different styles. It is used to create colored, shadowed, or rotated text. Means it is an option which we can use in MS Word to make our text attractive so that it grabs the attention of the reader. Why do we need to make it attractive? So that the text can grab the attention of the reader, the one who is reading. And usually it is done when we want to specify some important point. Fine. So that is why we use options like this. So in this we can write the text in different styles. In this we can create color text. Shadowed means there is a shadow related to text, and rotated text. It can be rotated in various directions. The following steps are opted in case of inserting word art text. Click the insert tab. Still we are using insert tab. Then click word art. From text group, the word art gallery appears. You can see in this is word art gallery. Different types of text are there. You can see right now all are written word art, means it is showing you that if we use this style, then the text will appear like this. And when you will apply on your text, this word art will be replaced by whatever that you are typing or already typed. Select the style as you wish, means from here you need to select the style. Fine, you will first click on this option word art, and then this box will appear, and from here you can select the style of the text that you want to use. Okay, now the edit word art text dialog box open, means here you can do the editing. Choose the font and the size for your text. You will choose font, whichever font you want. Right now which font is there? Arial Black. And size also you will choose. Type the text, you will type the text and click on the OK button. So here we had chosen a style, and here this text is appearing in that style. Okay, you can see it is colored, plus shadow is there at the back of the alphabets. So the desired word or text is inserted in your document. Means whichever style you want and whatever text that you want is inserted here. These you can see there is a rectangular box in which small rectangles are there. Okay, so if you will place your mouse pointer here, it will turn into a straight line. Okay, arrow kind of line, and then you can increase or decrease the size of this text. Fine, children. So these pointers are for increasing or decreasing the size. You can see one at the top, another one at the bottom, then three on the left side and three on the right side. Fine. Now practice time. Prepare a document on corruption. Use word art and clip art features. So those who have system, please, I will again say, I will say it, in fact I will specify it again and again that if you have system at your home, please try all these options. You will like it and it is quite interesting. So type this text and use these options. Now next topic is how to insert shapes. Various kind of shapes at times we need. Suppose we are preparing about, let's say the topic is geometry. So in that you need to insert various shapes. Okay, or there is some topic related to science. In that you may need to insert shapes. Okay, even if you are writing about various kind of shapes, at that time also you need to insert shapes. So there is option for inserting shapes as well in the document. Now let's read. Look at the following pictures. These are called shapes. See, you can see these are various kind of shapes, and this option is there in which many shapes are there. So these are called shapes. In order to insert shapes into your document, it is not necessary to draw them. MS Word provides ready-made shapes which can be inserted directly into the document. So how easy it has become for us to insert shapes. We don't have to draw. We just have to click on these shapes and so many shapes are there. Okay. You can see in your book also so many shapes are there. Different types of shapes like lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowcharts, stars and banners, callouts, etc. are present in MS Word Shape Gallery. So these kind of shapes are present and you can use them as per your need. The following steps are taken up in order to insert the shapes. What are all steps we require? Again, we will click on the insert tab. We need to click on the insert tab, then click shapes from the illustration groups. Okay, this group which we were using earlier also for inserting clip art, for inserting word art, and for inserting pictures. Same in the same group you will have this kind of icon with the name of shapes, and you need to click on this. A gallery with different group of shapes appear. Means this gallery will appear in front of you. Click on the shape and drag to draw it on the document. Means you will click on the shape and then you will drag your mouse so that this shape appears. And as soon as the shape will come, these options will also come. You can see at the top that there are various options related to the shapes. Okay, so you can try them as well. When the shape is drawn, a new format tab automatically appears as I was talking, displaying drawing tools to format the shape you have drawn. Means we can make changes in this pre-existing shape, means which was already existing in the document. In that we can make changes. Now shape fill. The following steps are taken in order to fill color in the shapes. If you want colored shape, so what you have to do, double click on the shape to select the figure. The format tab opens, means you need to double click on the shape. Click shape fill. Shape fill, a list appears. Select the desired color from the list, means whichever color you want to fill, that will be added or filled up in the document, okay, in the shape. Now the figure is filled with color. Okay, so the figure, as soon as you will click on the color and fill option, it will be filled up in the shape. Now shadow effects. The following steps are taken in order to add the shadow effects on the shape. You will again double click on the shape to select the figure. The format tab will open. Click shadow effects from shadow effects. Means you will click on this option from this menu group. A gallery of shadow styles will be displayed. Click the style you want. Your figure has got a shadow now. Means you can choose from various types of styles, and then the shadow will be inserted in your figure. Fine, these are the various types of shadows, and like in this you can see the one of the style is applied on this circle. Okay, so this shadow will appear. Now remember, clip art is a ready-made picture gallery, as we have discussed in the last period that the pictures are already there, okay, and shapes are a group of ready-made shapes. So clip art is ready-made picture gallery and shapes are a group of ready-made shapes. Fine, this you need to remember. Now practice time. Draw the following figures and shapes and fill them as shown with the color. Means you need to draw these figures and then you can fill with colors. Okay, so if you can practice at your home with the system, please do it. And if you don't have system at home, then you please watch the next videos. Means next week we will discuss the practical part of all these um, things that we have studied in these 2 periods. Okay, children. So revise it. Take care. Bye bye.